A scientist, I mean, we say that, we tell the people we love our mother or our wife that we love you from the bottom of the heart. Even the scientist tells his wife, I love you from the bottom of the heart. Imagine the wife telling that the center of love is in the brain. You being a scientist, how come you love me from the bottom of the heart? You should love me from the bottom of the brain. And even that's wrong, because the love center is not in the bottom of the brain. But yet, as a scientist, as a doctor, if I would tell my mother, I love you with my heart, the love is not there in the heart. The love center is in the brain. But that's the way language is developed. We say that memorize this by heart. The center of memory is in the heart. Where is it? In the brain. But yet in English language we say that memorize by pure dil se yaad karo. I have learnt it by heart. You should have learnt it by brain. So this is how languages have developed. But yet we don't say, what language are you speaking? You're a scientist. You love your mother, you love your wife from the heart. You should love from the brain. So this is how languages have developed. Similarly, one is the literal meaning of the explanation. Second is kulub again, like how we say memory. In English books we'll find. In literally books, in scientific books it's mentioned. Though science says that the memory is in the brain, the love is in the brain, yet we say by heart. This is language that develops. Similarly, when we can say that we memorize by heart, I don't object to the scientist. When the scientist says, I love you from my heart, you don't object. Similarly, this language is a language for the human beings. How even Arabs speak. When we speak in English, we have no problem. When the Arabs speak, why do we have a problem? So an Arab will not take out this mistake. An Arab realizes when Allah says, I have put a sin on his heart. What he means is sin on his understanding. Hope that answers the question.
Assalamu alaikum.